So this is another article which I read recently about 2 weeks ago, and the topic name is the peace of letting people come and go. So lately I've been thinking a lot about detachment. Not the cold kind, not the I don't care about anyone kind, but the quiet understanding that people are experiences. And experiences by nature come and go. For a long time, I think I moved through relationships believing permanence was the goal. That if someone entered my life, the point was them to make them stay. That if they left, something must have gone wrong. Either I failed them or they failed me. But life does not actually work like that. Some people are meant to walk with you for a long time. They become witnesses to your life. They see the different versions of you that exist across years. They know who you were, who you are becoming, and who you might still grow into. And then there are people who come into your life for a moment, not forever, just long enough to teach you something, long enough to reveal something about yourself you did not know was there, long enough to mirror a wound you had not healed yet, long enough to show you what you deserve or what you have been settling for. For a while I used to resist that. I would hold on a little longer than I needed to. I would try to force meaning into situations that had already finished teaching me what they came to teach. I thought of letting go meant I did not care enough. But lately I realized something that has been freeing in a way I did not expect. You don't own anyone. Not their time, not their presence, not their love, and nobody owes you either. Once you really sit with it, something shifts. The pressure disappears. You stop gripping people so tightly. You stop believing every connection has to last forever in order to matter. Some people are seasons, and seasons are not failures just because they end. Winter does not apologize for turning into spring. Practicing detachment has been teaching me how to love people without control the outcome of the relationship. It's teaching me to appreciate people while they are here instead of constantly worrying about whether they will leave. Because the truth is, some will. And that does not mean something is wrong with you.